28th problem. Using a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Using this formula, we have to evaluate. First problem, 137 whole square. Now I am writing 137 as 100 plus 37 whole square. Now in the place of a, 100 is there. In the place of b, 37 is there. So write this formula here. All should write this formula. It is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to write, you have to mention that formula. So 100 whole square plus 2 into 100 into 37 plus 37 whole square. Easy way. Write 1. Here 2 zeros are there. Again 2 zeros you write. 100 hundreds 10,000. But simple way is, how many zeros are there? To the double you give. That is the easiest. Next, plus 2 37s are 74. Into 100, 7,400. Easy way of calculating. And I told you to by heart the squares. 37s are 1,369. Now add 10,000 plus 7,400 plus 1,368. You will get 18,769. So that is the answer of 137 whole square. We did through formula method. Which formula? A plus b whole square formula method. Coming to the second bit. 1008 whole square is equal to, how I am writing, all of you see, 1000 plus 8 whole square. In the place of a, 1000 is there. In the place of b, 8 is there. You have to write the formula. It is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You have to mention. So 1000 square plus 2 into 1000 into 8 plus 8 square. Now here how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. For that double 3 more you. Otherwise how much you can read? 10 lakhs if you multiply. Plus 2 8s are 16. 16 into 1000, 16,000. Easy way of calculating. Plus 8 8s are 64. Add 10 lakhs plus 16,000 plus 64. See the place values and write properly. You have to be careful. So answer how much you will get means 10 lakhs 16,000 and 64. So what is the value of 1008 whole square means 10 lakhs 16,000 and 64. Coming to the third bit. 11.6 whole square. Decimal is there. Don't fear, my dear, by seeing decimal. Write in this form. 10 plus 1.6 whole square. Always make a habit of writing to nearest 100, 1000, 10 like that for easy calculation. So it is in the form of which formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Write in that form. So in the place of a, 10 is there. In the place of b, 1.6 is there. If you add again, it will be 11.6 only. So 11.6 whole square. Another form of writing is 10 plus 1.6 whole square. So 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 1.6 plus 1.6 whole square. 10 tens are 100. Everyone knows. Plus multiply 10 into 1.6. Decimal will be removed. Becomes 16. Multiplying with 1 0, decimal moves to front. Decimal from here goes to front. 1 digit. Because 1 0, 1 digit. 16. 16 2 is 32. Now 16 16s are 256. But here 16, how is there? 1.6 into 1.6. From decimal to decimal you count how many digits are there? 1, 2. So from back onwards you have to 1, 2. Then you have to put decimal here. Add 100. In which style I am writing, all of you see. 100.00 you write. Why I tell you. 32 also. 32.00. 2.56 you have to read in this style. After decimal, you have to read only digits. Here we are having after decimal 2 digits. So here also you write that gap, you fill with zeros. Decimal under decimal. Now add 6 you'll get, 5 will get, here decimal, 2 plus 2 4, here 3 and 1. What is the final answer? 134.56. 29th problem. Using a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Evaluate. Now the first problem. 97 whole square. We are going to write 97 whole square in the form of 100 minus 3. 100 minus 3 is 97. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. 100 hundreds. 10,000. Otherwise, I told you logic. 2 zeros are there, means again 2 more zeros will be there. Magic. In square. No magic, just logic. Now, 2 3s are 6. 6 into 100, 600. Minus 600 plus 3 3s are 9. Now, from 10,000 subtract 600. 9,400. Then add 9. So, 9,409. So, what is the final answer? 97 whole square answer is 9,409. Second bit. 992 whole square is equal to, nearest is 1000. 1000 minus 8 whole square. Again it is in the form of same. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1000 whole square minus 2 into 1000 into 8 plus 8 square. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Again 3 more. Otherwise multiply, you will get 10 lakhs minus 2 8s are 16. 16 into 1000, 16,000 plus 8 8s are 64. Now from 10 lakhs subtract 16,000. How much you will get? 9 lakhs 84,000. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus. Here we can't subtract from 0. So you are borrowing from here 1. Here 9, 9 and this will be 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9. Again here nothing, no digit is there. 9 will come. Add 64. So 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 6, 6. Here 0 as it is comes down. And 84 and 9. So 9 lakhs 84,000 and 64. Here also, so what is the answer of 992 whole square? 9 lakhs 84,064. Coming to the third bit. 9.98 whole square is equal to, nearest is 10. 10 minus 0.02. Sir, 1 second please explain, sir, means small example I will give you. Your father gave 10 rupees, your daddy. You just purchased 2 paise. How much will be remaining means? 9 rupees 98 paise. Now you understood clearly? 10 rupees your father gave. How much you spent? Only 2 paise. So how much is remaining with you? 9 rupees 98 paise. Now it is in the form of 10 minus 0.02 whole square, means same formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Read formulas thoroughly by heart. Now 10 whole square minus 2 into 10 into 0.02 plus 0.02 whole square. 10 tens are 100. Everyone knows this one. Here 10 into 0.0. Decimal moves front outward. So when you are multiplying with 10, it becomes 0.2. 0.2 into 2 is 0.4. Now plus 0.02. 2 2s are 4. After here 2 digits are there. One more 2 digits means total 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to put decimal. So 0.0004. Now from 100 subtract 0.4. Decimal under decimal. From 1 you are borrowing 9, 9 and here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 decimal. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 9. So 99.6. Again here 0.0004 is there. So what you are going to do here? In this gap you write zeros. Now we are adding. 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Decimal under decimal. And here 99. So what is the final answer? Means 99.6004. First problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to 14 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 74. Find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Solution given. A plus B plus C is equal to 14. They have given. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 74. They have given. We know the formula. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now substitute the values. A plus B plus C 14 they give. So 14 whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square, they have given 74. In that place you write plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. 14 14s 196 is equal to 74 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So many will do wrong here. This is first term and this is second term. Here 74 plus 2 you will do no. This all second term. 2 into. So bring this plus 74 from right side to left side. 196 minus 74 is equal to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Subtract. You will get 122 is equal to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA into, coming from right to left, division, multiplication changes into division. 2 goes in 122 61 times. Therefore, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 61. 34th problem. If A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 89 and AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 16. Find the value of A plus B minus C. What is given? A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 89. And again, AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 16. A plus B minus C whole square. Another form of writing is A plus B plus of minus C whole square. Here C place minus C is there. Sometimes B place minus B also may be there. Sometimes A plus minus A may be there. How to recognize means here two minuses are there. Which is the common alphabet means C. So C will be minus. Suppose these two means B is common, minus B. Suppose first and last, so minus A. In such a way we can recognize which one is negative. So A plus B minus C whole square formula is equal to A square plus B square plus minus C whole square plus 2 into AB plus B into minus C plus minus C into A. That is the formula for A plus B minus C. In the same manner, A minus B plus C. In the same manner, minus A plus B plus C. So note these formulas. Always positive won't be there. Sometimes negative also may be there. Use brain. Otherwise, this problem will go in drain. So keep in mind. Don't do blind. A plus B minus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus into minus BC plus into minus CA. Now substitute the values. A plus B minus C whole square is equal to, in the place of A square plus B square plus C square they have given 89. Replace, substitute that value. plus 2 into AB minus BC minus CA, they have given 16. Right, that's 16 here. Now, A plus B minus C whole square is equal to 89 plus 2 16s are 32. Now add A plus B minus C whole square is equal to 89 plus 32 is 121. So A plus B minus C is equal to, square goes from left to right, it becomes square root. So A plus B minus C is equal to, what is the square root of 121? Plus or minus 11?